Hi, so now I'm going to show you how to make this rose. You can use it on anything that you make, from dresses to hats or on a shawl, like I have, the Julia shawl. I have had 9 of these on it. Okay, so first you need a scissor for later, and also a needle, sewing needle for later. Then you of course need yarn. This yarn is 50 gram and 105 meters long. And for that yarn, I have chosen to take a 4mm crochet hook. So I wrap the yarn around my finger twice. Oops, 1, 2. I take this over twice, and then I have the first loop. So now I'm going to make 33 of these loops. This is, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, you get it, right? So I'll meet you back here when we have 33. So now I have a chain of 33. So then the second from the hook, you go in there and you make single chains. There's 1 single chain, 2 single chains, 3, 4. Okay, so when you're finished all the way to the end, you're supposed to have 32 of these single stitches. I'll meet you there then. Hi, so we're back again. Now I have 32 stitches, single crochets over this chain, okay? So then we're going to start by chaining 2, and then we're going to have half crochets in in the base of the 2 chains that we did, okay? So all in all, that will be 4 of these half double crochets. So there's 1. You include the 2 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have 1 slip stitch in the next mask, and then the next mask you have the half double crochets again, 4 of them. Three, 4, and then in the next stitch you have a slip stitch, and then in the next stitch you do a double crochet 4 times. There's 1, 2, 3, and there is 4. And in the next one we have a slip stitch. So we do these 5 more times. So all in all, it's 6 with a double crochet. So after doing that, I'll see you then. So back again. Now we have done 6 of these with 4 double crochets, right? So there's the 2 first one, the half double crochets, 1, 2, and then we have to have 6 of these. So here's 3, and here's another 3. You have the slip stitch in between, right? So these are the double crochets, and then we will just continue. And remember to have the slip stitch in between, right? Okay, the next ones are with the, I think it's called a triple double crochet, but you know, just look at me on the video here. You don't have to think about what they're called. Just a nuisance, right? So this is the second one. And this is the third one. And this is the fourth one. Okay, so now we need, oh, and a slip stitch. Now we need seven more of these, so 8 in total. And and the last one you do here, the last stitch, will be a slip stitch at the end. Okay, so I'll see you there. Okay, then we're back again. Now this has a slip stitch on the last one. Okay, and then we just pull the yarn through that last one and we cut it. We can just, you know, have a little yarn because we're going to sew the flower together too on the back side. I'll show you which was the back side. Okay, so let's just count these. There is 1, 2 with the double half double crochet. There's supposed to be 6 of these double crochets. There's 3 more, so that's 6. And then the triple double crochet, as I call them, there's supposed to be 8. There's 3, there's 6, there's 2, so that's 8. Okay, good. So then we're going to start in one end and we're going to curl, if you can say that. These are leaves, so curl the leaves around outside of each other. I don't really like sewing, but you know, here it is. Here is how it goes. So this is how it's going to look like at the end. You know what? You could put a little bean there, or you know, a pearl there. That would be nice. Well, I done that too, but we're not going to show this on this video. So just turn it around, and we can work with this one, the one inside first. We're just going to try to sew it together. Let's see. We have to see how it's on this side, okay? Just twirl it good, because it always opens when you turn it around. And there, we're just going to sew it like this on the inner side. I'm not a good sewer, but this will do. Nobody will look on the back side of it anyways. Okay, there. So now we can just cut this as far down as we can. There. And then this one. Just like this, so it sticks together. Soon finished now. See, just a little bit more and we're finished. I don't think you have to be afraid that anyone's going to look at the back side. As long as the leaves are sewn together, that's the main point. Oh my gosh, we're soon finished. Just a little bit left. So happy. Okay, so just cut the thread as far in as you can. Oops. The whole thread. There, finished. Nice. Now I have two. And I have one ready to be sewed together. Okay. So I hope this was easy for you, and watch it over again. And you know, if you can't get the hang of it the first time, maybe you get the hang of it the second time. Okay, so good luck. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.